Okay, I got a little Sunday project today. We have this really old dishwasher that doesn't work, and I have this dishwasher from the old house. So I figured I'd show some people a little bit about what it takes to change these out. They're not hard. There's only 3 things that connect these. You have a drain line, you have a water line, and you have power. The drain line, typically if you have a garbage disposal, there is a fitting. You can't really see it on the side of there. On this one, there's a little knockout in it. So this one's not open. Yeah, you're not going to see that. So that one, it's not opened up. I have to take the garbage disposal off, and then I'll have to not take that out so that the drain line can get hooked up. They're held under the counter. They have these little screws there, and then these panels have screws. You gotta take that panel off, and then that's where the water and electric hook up. Like I said before, this is a really old, dirty farmhouse. We are in the process of getting a new foundation put under it, and we can't repair any of this stuff until that happens, because when they level the house out, it's gonna crack walls. Anything that's been repaired over the years, it's gonna be a lot of work. So we basically just kind of been leaving it. You know, obviously this tile and crap's gonna go. So who knows what I'll find behind this thing, but I'm gonna take the stuff off I just showed you, and I'll bring it back. Okay, now that I got this one out, I want to give you a real quick rundown on the 3 connections. Over here you have your water supply. Over here you have your 120 volt power, and then the drain on this particular one hooked up here. I took it off because of how it was routed. Normally you would leave that attached and you'd snake it through the back, but it's really simple. There's not a lot to these things. Even the newer ones, they're essentially the same deal. This is just a pump, and there's a switch and some water solenoids in here that just change the way the water flows. Okay, got the new one in. It is a little shorter, so I got a gap up here. I'm gonna have to put something in there to fill that, and during transport we lost one of these guys. But I could probably just get some wood, just kind of jammed in there. This is all temporary. I mean, this whole house is gonna get completely redone, but this should work for now. I have to figure out where the power runs. Normally you have the power switch up underneath here, and it's not. The line runs back down through the wall, so I'm gonna go down in the crawl space, look around, see if we got something disconnected. The disposal came off easy. There's a ring you have to twist, and you have to make sure you take the plumbing pipe apart too, and then it'll drop down, and there's just a knockout. You use like a flathead screwdriver and a hammer, and that'll get that out of there. Then you can hook your drain hose up. It's up here, really dark, sorry. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go see if I can get that power situation figured out. Okay, I thought I'd give you a little glimpse of our dungeon. You can see some pretty poor frame foundation repair attempts. It's just basically a crawl space, furnace, water heater. I'm probably not going to be able to have the camera on while I'm doing this, but I'll try. That light doesn't work. So yeah, I'm gonna have to put this down, try to figure this out. So one of these wires, I believe, goes to the disposal. This is probably it. That turned out to be a lot easier than I thought. I got a breaker for the dishwasher and it was off. That wire that was hanging down, I checked with my non-contact on my voltmeter and it was actually live. The other wire, there's a long wire that runs under the house. That one had no power. So I come up here, that was off, flipped it on, and the dishwasher fired up. So we should be good to go. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if there was anything helpful. And see you next time.